you want to make some ranch, perhaps some buffalo ranch. Let's see what we can make, shall we? With just a couple ingredients. Alright, to get started, we're going to need 2 cups of mayonnaise and 2 cups of milk, as well as 2 packets of Hidden Valley Ranch. I find 2 seems to work better than 1 and 3. They seem more liquidly when you have odd numbers. Once you have your 2 cups of mayonnaise and your 2 cups of ranch, we will add our seasoning. And then we mix it up. Make sure it's nice and off the edges so it doesn't get all yucky. Now I find for every packet of seasoning, it equals about 1 tablespoon for buffalo sauce or barbecue sauce, whichever you would prefer. Once you add your buffalo sauce or your barbecue sauce, whichever you will prefer, you mix it up. You get a nice little red tint to it, or brown if you're using barbecue sauce. You cover it up for half an hour at least with tin foil, put it in the fridge, and then we can bottle it when it gets to the consistency you're looking for. I hope this helps. If you could like and subscribe, it helps a lot. We do quite a lot of cooking over here.